sketchy. And it's cold and windy up here today. So I had to turn around after this just because the snow started to shift while I was walking across it. So it made me immediately think, oh shit, avalanche. But yeah, right around this bend, I got around it. And I'd need an ice axe and some crampons to get past it. There's no way. Especially with my boots. I'm slipping a little bit. I mean, they're great. Not great tread. But yeah, right around this bend here, the snow started to give way a little bit as I was crossing it, and was like, F that noise. But it is cold, windy, beautiful. Probably one of the scariest but most beautiful hikes up on Silverstar I've ever done. But yeah, I definitely would need some